It's Deadpool 3.7 here. Sorry, I'm a little nappy right now. I'm gonna get ready to go to work. I want to do a quick video. The video is gonna be about should I pro charge my V6 Mustang. I know I made a future mod list of the things that I was thinking about doing. I know I was thinking about going cowl hood first. After cowl hood, I would go either bags and then pro charge. I was actually going to work on the outside looks of my car first and then move towards the motor part of the performance part. But I changed my mind. I've been doing some thinking. I think I should go pro charged. I've been really thinking about it, go ahead and get it out the way. I'm not going to buy new. Okay. A lot of you guys are going to bash me for it. Why would you buy a used pro charger? For one, it's too damn high. Be honest with you. I don't want to pay $5,000. It costs more than the damn motor. It's good power adder though, but I'm gonna think about it. It's some things that I've been looking into. I think that I'll probably go boosted. I was also looking into the twin turbo kit. I noticed a guy posted it on my V6 group, S550 V6 Mustangs. He was gonna sell it for 4,500, but it's already sold now. It was a twin turbo kit undermount. I'm still skeptical about undermounts because it rains so much in Tennessee, especially the part that I'm at. I mean, in fact, it rained today and it was flooded, and I went through a bunch of flooded areas. I don't know how water getting into the turbos or different things like that. That's one thing that I got to take in consideration, and being able to keep them clean because I got to go up under them and do all that. I don't, it's too much maintenance for me. It's too much maintenance. I want something that's easier to do. It's going to be, cost less, because I know to get somebody to install the turbo kit, it's going to probably run me a lot of money. I know for a fact it will run me a lot of money. But with the Pro Charger, I can do that myself. I know I don't know anything about turbo systems or Pro Chargers or anything like that. Like I said, I just got this channel established. It's something that I wanted to, it's something that I want to do. But I think I'm gonna go the Pro Charger route. It's a lot of things I got to think about. Do I want to run E85, which I know I'm not. But eventually, do I want to have a tune for that? Just in case I ever decide to race my car, which right now I'm not racing my car because it is my daily. I want to make it look good. I want to make it sound right. I want it to be as fast as I can make it without, tearing something up. Because like I said, this is my car. My car has 98,000 miles on it. So I know it's kind of late to be pro charging, but hey, I'm going to go for it, man. I'm going to go for it. Yeah, it's just a lot I got to think about when it comes to pro chargers. If you guys could, if some of you guys are pro charged on my channel or know anybody that's pro charged, share my video to them. I have questions that I need to ask about it, like what are good numbers to run? How much PSI can I run? Because I got my mindset that I want to run 10 PSI. How good is it? What's the fuel efficiency on it? Because you guys know that I daily drive my car. Just a bunch of things. It's just a bunch of things that I need to look into. But I think I've made up my mind. I'm probably gonna go pro charged. I mean, you can get a used kit for about $3,500 to $3,000. There was a guy selling a $2,000 Pro Charger kit, but it was actually for the S197, but he made it work. He made it work for the for my year model. But I want the one that's specifically for my year model with the big intercooler and everything. So just a lot that I got to take into consideration, a lot of thinking that I've been doing. I know I originally said, hey, I'm probably gonna go bag before I go boosted, or cowl hood. I might still even get a cowl hood if I get this Pro Charger. It's still a lot of things that I want to do. So I just want to keep this video pretty short. I don't want it to be long. It's just a quick video about what I want to do when what I want to do with this car. what I want to do with the Pro Charger and everything. So if you guys like this, like I said, it's just a quick little video. Please give me a like, subscribe, thumbs up. Also hit the little bell icon so you can get notified whenever I drop any more videos. It's gonna be something I got to think on. I'm gonna pray on it, think about it and everything. So anyway, guys, appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up.